Good morning, people. Back with me, Salsabila Aureli on Breaking News. A woman identified as FD, age 44, was tragically reported dead on the morning of Tuesday, September 26, 2023, near the Central Park Mall lobby in West Jakarta City. The woman was murdered and lost her life at the scene. The victim suffered severe neck injuries as a result of being attacked with a knife brought by the assailant from his home, leading to her immediate demise at the scene. The authorities quickly identified and arrested the killer as a 26-year-old man with the initial AD.
Fresa Daniela, a 44-year-old woman, was found dead with wounds to her neck after being attacked by a man in an apartment lobby in the Tanjung Duren area, West Jakarta, Tuesday morning. The police who arrived at the scene immediately carried out a crime scene investigation and identified the victim's body. This incident occurred when the victim was walking in the apartment lobby area to work. Suddenly, the perpetrator attacked him using a knife from behind. As a result, the victim died instantly at the scene. The perpetrator, who had escaped, was caught by apartment security officer assisted by residents. From the process, the perpetrator with the initial AG is a resident of Priok, Tangerang City, Banten. The perpetrator, who was detained at the Tanjung Duren police station, admitted that he did not know the victim. But the police are still investigating the perpetrator because his statement is still changing.
The police mentioned that the perpetrator is likely suffering from a mental disorder. During questioning, he provided perplexing and inconsistent responses. The authorities are also cross-referencing the statements of the perpetrator with those of witnesses. In the meantime, the perpetrator's family has expressed their belief that he exhibited signs of mental disturbance. His mother revealed that AD displayed unusual and peculiar behavior at home. Although the perpetrator is currently suspected of having a mental disorder, the police emphasized that they have not conclusively confirmed this diagnosis. Further medical examinations are necessary to validate his suspicion.
The West Jakarta Tanjung Duren Police Criminal Investigation Team is still investigating the suspect's statement to find out the motive for the murder. But when they arrived at the scene, the police did not find any items missing from the victim. The police have also collected other evidence at the scene where the perpetrator committed the incident in front of the apartment lobby. A number of new facts were revealed in the case of the murder of a woman in an apartment lobby in the Tanjung Duren area, West Jakarta. After examining the perpetrator and several witnesses from the security forces, the perpetrator's family, and the victim, there was no vengeful motive behind this incident. The perpetrator admitted that he did not know the victim. The police added that they will examine the perpetrator's mental state regarding the motive for this murder. The police also could not conclude yet.
Jadi untuk motif sendiri yang sudah bisa kita pastikan, ya, tidak ada dendam pribadi terhadap korban, ya. Yang pelaku tidak memiliki dendam pribadi terhadap korban. Kemudian juga pelaku tidak ada keinginan untuk mungkin menguasai benda milik korban atau melakukan perampokan, ya. Dan yang juga pelaku ini tidak ada tujuan terhadap korban, tidak kenal, ya. Antara pelaku dengan korban ini juga tidak saling mengenal.
This information concludes our meeting today. I'm Salsabila Aureli saying goodbye and see you in the next breaking news.